or we are taking the example, only alkanes we are taking. So it's of no OH group is present. Okay, so let us see. Also called as free radical. Free radical halogen. Free radical halogenation. Okay, so now I'll give an example. CH3 plus Cl2. This is in the presence of sunlight. Okay, this symbol represents in the presence of sunlight. Cl plus HCl. Okay, like this. So this is the alkane we can see. So this alkane when combines with halogenic group, it will form haloalkanes. Okay, haloalkanes with the productivity of HCl. So let us start with the example of butane. When butane, you just start writing the reaction. Butane reacts with chloride. So it will give you haloalkanes. Okay, write the reaction. Butane. What is the formula for butane? Butane. Give the product. Butane for but, it means to say 4 carbon. Rakshita, but andre 4 carbon. So carbon should be 4. Satisfy the valency of hydrogen. So if one reaction by butane plus chloride gives rise to haloalkanes. Write down. Butane means 1, 2, 3, 4. So CH3, CH3, CH2, CH2. Okay. 2 chloride gives rise to, in the presence of sunlight, haloalkanes ಅಂದ್ರೆ CH3, CH, Cl, CH, CH3. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. So I'm just writing the possibilities. So this chloride may fit in this carbon. So same thing will happen. Instead of CH here, you will get CH here. This is a one type of halogen attachment. Otherwise, for the corners also it can attach. So I'm writing in two ways. Either it can attach to the mid carbon or the adjacent carbon. So the name will be different. Here it's of 2-chloro. Butane. Here 1-chloro butane. If it is in this carbon, you can see 1, 2, same 2-chlorobutane. If it is this carbon, again same chlorobutane. Got it? No problem. Just learn how to do it. On the reaction, same, just write for pentane. So how I wrote it for butane, just write for pentane. ಅದೇ ತರ pentane try ಮಾಡಿ. pentane try ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ what you will get? You will get the same isomeric form 1 chloropentane, 2 chloropentane, and you will get the mid carbon also 3 chloropentane. That's it. Here you need to write plus HCl, 2 HCl. Okay, exactly. Yes, Aishwarya, you're right. So that chloride what you fixed, that may be in the second carbon, that may be in the third carbon. Same. Okay, got it? Shall I move? So next, from the preparation of from alkene. So ಈಗ alkane ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Ane means to say single bond. So let us try it for ene, double bond. Okay. So that we are writing monohalo alkenes. We are trying for monohalo alkenes. That mono preparation of monohalo alkanes. It is called as from all where monohalo alkanes. Alkenes in the monohalo alkanes na prepare ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. This reaction is also called as Markovnikov rule. This is very 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 important. ಇದು 2 marks ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ important question. Markovnikov rule. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ this is a compulsory question. This is a compulsory question. Markovnikov rule. So Markovnikov rule means from alkene, we are preparing monohaloalkane. Okay. So just I'll write a general reaction. You just try it for an example. I'm changing the position of the alkene. That's it. Halogen the position ಮಾತ್ರ change ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ. Okay. So let us write the example. So CH2 double bond CH2. Suppose this is this one only, like ethene only your example. So plus HCl, it gives you CH3, CH2, Cl. Okay. This is called ethene, hydrochloric acid. This is 1-chloroethane. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ನೋಡಿ? That is converting from the ene form to ane form, from double bond to single bond. That is called Markovnikov rule. Preparation of monohaloalkanes from alkenes is called Markovnikov rule. Okay. Preparation of monohaloalkanes from, I'm telling right, write down. Preparation of monohaloalkanes from alkenes is called Markovnikov rule. Is called Markovnikov rule. So you need to write this reaction. Our definition ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, give a reaction of Markovnikov rule ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So in this lesson you need to focus more on this points. Okay. So ಆ ತರ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ವಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾವ್ದು? Friedel-Crafts ಏನೋ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Darzin's process. What do you mean by Darzin's process? Thionyl chloride is called Darzin's process. So we read that, right? And Greaves process. Greaves, preparation of haloalkanes from alkyl chloride. That is Greaves process. So Athra, they are going to ask you. So this also Markovnikov rule. So just you try it for vinyl benzene. Vinyl benzene. VINYL, vinyl, BENZENE. Vinyl benzene try ಮಾಡಿ ಅದೇ ತರ. So I'll write the structure of vinyl benzene. This is benzene. This is vinylic group. CH double bond CH2 attach agire. That is called vinyl benzene. So you can write for HBr or HCl. It's your choice. Up to you. Write the structure of vinyl benzene ring CH2 CH double bond CH2. Finished? Try this. Do one thing. We already done with HCl. Chloride try ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ವಾ? Go with the HBr. Go with the HBr. So why we are taking chloride means chloride common ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ chloride ತಗೋತೀವಿ. So you can change it with bromide, you can change it with iodide. That is completely up to you. You can change it. Okay? But you need to work on it. Done? Next, now what are the things we read? It's only we are preparing monohalogen. Monohalogen means one halogen we are changing or we are adding only one halogen to the group. So now let us prepare okay, one more thing. ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ Markovnikov ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So you have anti-Markovnikov rule. Anti-Markovnikov rule or addition. So ಅದು allyl benzene ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So this is called allyl benzene. Plus HBr with the help of you will get this is called 1 bromo 3 phenyl propane. So they'll consider this as a phenylic group. ಒಂದು ಬೆನ್ಸೆನ್ ರಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿ that OH is replaced ಅಂತ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. So that is called as phenylic group. So they are counted only these 3 carbon. We considered entire this as a functional group. This is called anti-Markovnikov rule. Either you will get a question from Markovnikov rule or you will get a question from anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay. Next, as I informed you, let us try to prepare the halogen that we are attaching for the alkane group, that is dihalogen. That is called dihaloalkanes. Dihaloalkanes preparation. So how we are going to prepare? So it is just a simple when R group, that is functional group, is attaches in the presence of CCl4 carbon tetrachloride. It will gives you like this. This is called dihaloalkanes. When 2 halogenic group is attaches to the carbon, that is called dihaloalkanes. Okay, dihaloalkanes. Example ಬರೀತೀರಾ? CH2 double bond CH2. It's simple ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ I am going to take this. You can take whatever you want to take. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಬಹುದು. So that's why I used to say, when you are understanding chemistry by depth, you can play with it. If ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಿರೋ, when you are going to realize the topics, when you are understanding, I'm not saying reading, ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇದು, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. when you are able to get the concept, at that time you can play with the atoms. ನೀವು ಆಟಮ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. So it is so funny and it will be of so much like creative. So ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ usually we are going to solve it. So at one point of time you will get it perfectly. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, and when you are like that concept, what you will do, you will just try it for the another number. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ. Exactly the same here. So when you are understanding what do you mean by Markovnikov rule, okay, we are converting E into A in format, okay, we'll do. So that is that concept you required. I'm not saying you should learn this example. You can give whatever the example you want, but the thing you need to know, what do you mean by that, ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಗ ನೀವ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ whatever the example if you want. that is better to understand. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೆಯೋವರೆಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೋನಿಕಾಫ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ whatever example you want to give, right? ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ವಿಚ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್? ಆಂಟಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೋನಿಕಾಫ್ ರೂಲ್ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. See, Aishwarya, how she is sending it, that one pictures ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, she is trying to do something that I required. Actually ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಕಷ್ಟ, I'll agree, but ಅವಳ ಬೆನ್ಸನ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಕೂಡ she is representing in a bond. So very good Aishwarya, very very good. ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೋನಿಕಾಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಂಟಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೋನಿಕಾಫ್? ಮಾರ್ಕೋನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಮಾರ್ಕೋನಿಕಾಫ್ ಹೆಸರನ್ನೇ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ಕೋನಿಕ್ ರೂಲ್, ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ಕೋನಿಕಾಫ್ ನೀನ್ ನೋಡಿ ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. The Markovnikov rule says that we are just converting into n, but that is not specifically we are saying about an ring shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವ್ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ. So and that is too, we are taking that example as in chloride in example ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ we are going to write it as anti Markovnikov rule. So here I'll tell you the definition. When an alkene react with halogen in acetic acid or methylene chloride, okay, methylene chloride media, alkyl halides are formed. The addition takes place according to the Markovnikov rule. So here the addition is going to take place. Here we are not at all removing any one of the hydrogen. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. We are not at all removing any one of the hydrogen. And one more thing, we are not adding a carbon also. Okay, we are not adding a carbon also. But here what happened is a ring shape only we are writing. Anti Markovnikov rule means it is given an example for allyl benzene. So Markovnikov rule ನೀವು linear chain ಅಥವಾ what we call it a straight chain example ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ, that is superchlorine. They are giving example for bromine for anti Markovnikov rule. So actually ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ, but ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, it should be ಉಲ್ಟಾ, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? So it is not reverse. We are just giving an examples. ಇದು aliphatic, ಇದು aromatic ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Markovnikov rule. Okay Nikhil, got it? Just chloride ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Morconic fluid. Read on. Don't worry, I'll send the pics also. So next one, we are preparing haloalkanes from haloalkanes by halogen exchange reaction. So here what we did, basically whatever the reactant we are taking that doesn't contain any halogenic group. So we are adding the halogenic group, but now we are going to read or we need to study the interchange of the halogenic group. Suppose ಈಗ already ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ chloride format ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. So now I have chloroethane. So I'm converting the chlorine to or chlorine replacing with bromine. So chlorine ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, chloride ನ bromide ಇಂದ replace ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. So this is called Flintstone reaction. Flintstone reaction. I'll write it and show you. Okay, Aishwarya, over. Preparation of, write on the point. So preparation of haloalkanes by halogen exchange method. Exchange reaction. Okay. The first reaction of it is Flintstone reaction. So halogen exchange ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ it's a Flintstone. So we are going to take place in the presence of dry acetone. Dry acetone is a catalyst. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ನಮ್ಮ reactant arrow mark ಮೇಲೆ this is called catalyst. So how it happened Flintstone reaction ಅಂದ್ರೆ just simple ಇದು ನೋಡಿ. Acetone plus okay, here we are taking anyone. So ಯಾವುದು ಬೇರೆ halogen ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. So better understandment better ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ change ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. So we are going to write it as I ಅಂತ represent ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. So here the X can be chloride or bromide and I. So you are replacing this with I. Okay, in the presence of acetone, that is called dry acetone. Dry acetone ಏನಕ್ಕೆ use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Why we are using dry acetone? We can use normal acetone, right? ಯಾಕೆ normal acetone ನ use ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ that going to have more volatile nature. So because of the more volatility, we are taking dry acetone. Dry acetone is the presence in the formation of powder. So evaporation or the volatilization is less when you are comparing with liquid. Liquid compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ volatility solid ಅಥವಾ powder format ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That's why we are taking it's a dry acetone. Okay na? So ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ example ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಣ. R where you can take CH3Cl plus sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone, CH3I plus NaCl. Okay, plus NaCl. So this is called as Flintstone reaction. Okay, Flintstone reaction. ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ chloride ಇಂದ iodide ಅನ್ನ replace ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಲ್ಲ, so that is called Flintstone reaction. So now let us write Schwartz reaction. Schwartz, SWART apostrophe S. Schwartz reaction. So what is Schwartz reaction? It is just a replaceable of halogenic group, but We are replacing bromide with fluoride in the presence of antimony fluorides ಅಥವಾ ಕೋಬಾಲ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೂರೈಡ್. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮೆಟಾಲಿಕ್ ಫ್ಲೂರೈಡ್, ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಫ್ಲೂರೈಡ್, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮೆಟಾಲಿಕ್ ಫ್ಲೂರೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ. So for the coating purpose we are using this all fluorides. So we are preparing alkyl fluorides. Alkyl fluorides we are going to prepare. So iodide prepare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is called Finkelson reaction. If you are preparing alkyl fluorides, that is called Schwarz reaction. So I'll write the general formula. This is X. Okay. So ma'am, you can ask me, ma'am, instead of exchanging of an halogen, okay, can I prepare it directly? Yes, you can prepare. But the thing here, the replaceable of iodine and fluoride or addition of iodine and fluoride, it's not so easy directly to the alkane or alkene. ನಿಮ್ಮ iodide ಅಥವಾ fluoride ನ I'm specifically saying iodide ಅಥವಾ fluoride ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆಲ್ಕೀನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸುಲಭ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೋ ಈಸಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಡಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಟು ಇಟ್, then we can replace the chloride because halogen same ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ it can easily replaceable. So direct ಆಗಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ we need more time and more energy, more conditions and all. So direct ಆಗಿ iodine na, ma'am, instead of we need to first prepare this compounds or fluorides and all, fluoride ಅಥವಾ iodine ಹಾಕೋ ಬದಲು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ iodine ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಕಷ್ಟ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ iodine ಅಥವಾ ಫ್ಲೂರೈಡ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಬ್ರೋಮೈಡ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿ ಟು ಆಡ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ರೋಮೈಡ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ದ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿ. ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಿಮಗಂತೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, this is general formula. So the example was methyl bromide, methyl bromide react with silver fluoride, gives you methyl fluoride plus silver halogen, like silver bromide. So write the structure of it. CH3Br plus AgF gives rise to CH3F plus AgBr. So ಇದೇ ತರ will you try it for ethyl chloride? Ethyl chloride try ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? So it's of CH3CH2Cl plus Hg. So Cl ಹಾಕೋತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that's you can't replace with a silver fluoride. You need to exchange mercuric fluoride. Mercuric fluoride change ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Okay. Okay. Gives you, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 compound ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ CH3 CH2, that is fluoroethane plus mercury chloride. I will take attendance.